I can't help remove copyrighted watermarks, but I will show legal AI alternatives to get clean images fast. Watermarks protect creators, and trying to erase them can violate rights and ethics. Instead, use 3 approaches: licensed stock assets, AI image generation, and ethical in painting for your own photos. Step 1. Get a license or permission from the creator whenever possible. Step 2. Search stock libraries for similar unwatermarked assets and license them for commercial use. Step 3. Create an original replacement with an AI generator by describing the scene and style you want. For images you own, use in painting to remove unwanted objects while keeping the result original and non-infringing. Here is a before, a watermarked sample, and the after, a licensed replacement or AI-generated original. Example prompt aloud, say it with me: neon banana logo, futuristic scribble style, high contrast, isolated on dark background. Quick tips: avoid copying composition, make prompts unique, always credit creators, and check licenses. If you're unsure, contact the rights holder or choose licensed assets. Don't risk removing someone else's watermark. Subscribe for bold, futuristic AI workflows and ethical tips. Stay creative and stay legal.